Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I am going to discuss one most important concept in Java. So guys, that concept is what is recursion, what is recursive method and how we are going to implement this concept in our Java application. So guys, complete the thing I will explain theoretically as well as programmatically. So how this concept we are going to implement in our Java application, and also I will explain with dry run. So I will show how the flow of execution internally it's doing. So guys, without any further delay, just let us start our theoretical part guys first. So guys, as per our definition of what recursion, what we understood. So let's see the method which call itself again and again, it is called guy recursive method. What guy? The method which call itself again and again until the condition becomes false. That entire thing called as a recursive method. But this entire process or technique is called the recursion in Java. I hope this thing you understood guys. Then guys, second thing what we should know, what is the syntax of recursion. So guys, if you want to know the syntax, then we should know guys first what is the return type and what should the method name and what is the parameter is expected. Right? What you can see here. So guys, this method expects some return type and this is the method name and it respect parameter. And inside this method body guy, also you should have one more method, the name is same. Both method names should be same guy. So if you will get such a syntax, that means this is a recursion concept in Java. So same thing guy, I will explain with our code base. Then we'll come to know okay how this syntax coded with our Java code. So guys, let's start one our application. Okay, in this application completely I will discuss how recursion we are going to, how recursion concept we are going to use in this application. Okay. So guys, see in this package I will create one class. So as per our requirement guy, the class name is guy itself. Suppose I am keeping here the class name is itself. Okay, and I have created one main method, right? Finish. So guys, we can see we have one class along with our main method. Okay. So guys, this recursion concept I will show with one example guys. This recursion concept I will explain with one example. That guy example is guys, suppose I have one program. Okay, I have one program. So guys, that program is what? Just like requirement guy. Suppose if you want to write one program, the program is guy sum of first what? First and natural number. Okay. So in this program means sum of first and natural number. I will explain the what recursion concept. In this program, sum of first and natural number I will explain with the help of recursion concept. So guys, please be concentrated and don't skip the video guys. Please watch start to end. Then your concept will be clear. Then you will get more clarity in this concept guys. So let's see what I have told as per recursion definition. So we need to create what? One recursive method, right? That method we should have some return type and method name and corresponding we should pass some parameter. Correct guys? So guys, see I am going to create one recursive method guys. So in the our return type method name is as per our requirement sum and going to pass here some parameter int x. Correct? Okay. So guys, see after creating this recursive method, I need to give some condition. I need to write some logic because I want to find sum of first and natural number. So let's see if I'm going to keep some condition like that. If what? If x is greater than 0. What guys? If x greater than 0, then what we are going to do here? So what we'll do guys? We will call same method one more time guys. That is guys recursive method, and in this method guys I am going to pass suppose x minus 1. right? And after calling this method, I am going to add this into our in this parameter value, and then I am going to return this thing, right? Return. Okay, good guy. Suppose this if condition is satisfied, then this will execute this thing. If suppose this condition is not satisfied, then it will comes under the else block guy. What we are returning in else block guy? Return directly 0 guy. So this is very simple concept as per our recursion. So if you want to add sum of first and natural number, then this thing we can write the logic in such a way. Great guy? Yes. So let's see what I have created the recursive method guy. That is what non-static method, right? This is non-static method, right? Suppose guy, if you want to call this non-static method, then how we can call this method? So guy, if you want to call this non-static method, that means you need to create the object of the class, because non-static method deals with the object. So guys, first I will create object of this class. So itself is our class, right? Then we can create the object first, right? We can create the object first here. So itself ref equals to what? New itself, right? So guys, we have created our what? Object of the itself class, right? Then guys, we can call what? Ref dot guy. What method guy? Non-static method, that is sum. We can call guy this sum method, right? Sum method. Great. Let's see. After calling this method guy, we want to return this value, right? So guys, this sum method, return type is int. Then I'm going to store this value in our int, right? Int a equals to guy, or you can say int result equal to what? Int result equal to what? Def dot sum. And we're going to pass, suppose I'm passing a guy 3, right? Or you can pass here 10 guy. So that is input parameter. That means if you want to what? If you want to write first 10 natural number, right? We want to find sum of first 10 natural number. Then what should we print the result? So guys, for printing result, that purpose we can write here sys out, right? Out, right? In that sys out, you can write some statement. Sum of first n natural number is, right? That is get result, because we are holding the result into our result variable. Correct guys? This thing we have done. Correct? Okay. So let's see what should be the guy our expected result. What should be our expected result for this code guy? So 1 to 10 guy. That means guy, you can see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, yes or no, 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus, right guy? So guy, that is equal to 55. Yes. So guy, if you want to print sum of first 10 natural number, that result should be guy what? 55. So we can see this result is coming as expected or not after writing the recursion concept in our code. So first guy, let's run the application. We'll see the result. Guy, you can see here sum of first and natural number is 55. Correct? Okay. So let's see if I'm going to change here as a 3 guy. If I'm going to pass 3. So first sum of first 3 natural number. Guy, what result? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is 6. Yes or no? That is 6 guy. Correct? So we can see result coming expected or not. If I'm going to pass here what? If I'm going to pass here 3, then result will be get what? 6. Right? Let's run the application. Will see result coming expected or not. Guys, see result is coming expected or as per our input value. Right guys? So guys, that is our recursion what concept in our application, guys. But this concept I will show you what as our what dry run. So with dry run for respective code, how the code is going to flow internally, how the code is going to flow internally, guys. So guys, please be concentrated. This is very important, how the code is going to what run internally. See guys, first step you can see here. So I am going to call this sum method, right? Ref dot sum, and we are going to pass 3 as a input parameter, right? So we are finding here sum of first 3 natural number, right? So once you're going to pass this 3 natural number, what should be the result for this? So guys, you can see here. So after calling this sum method, it will come here, guys, right? So inside this sum method body, guys, we have implemented this concept, this logic, right? So if x greater than 0, guys, if x greater than 0 means what? Here value, guys, x is 3, right? So guys, this condition satisfied, right? So 3 is greater than 0, yes? 3 is greater than 0, yes or no? Guys, you can see here. So guys, here 3 is greater than 0, right? Yes or no, guys? Satisfied. Satisfied? Correct, guys. Then guys, if it is satisfied, then we will come inside this if block, right? So guys, in if block we can see again we are calling sum method. Again we are calling sum method. Guys, as of now you can see initially we are passing here input as a 3. So guys, 3 minus 1, 2. So guys, directly it will come this place. Internally guys, this is executing again and again. So that's why same body for this second call. So you can see guys, this time our x is guys what? 2 here, right? Because this time guys, you can see here 3 minus 1, 2, right? This time guys, x value is what? X equal to 2, right? Yes or no? So guys, you can see here this condition. So guys, 2 is greater than 0, yes or no? Yes guys, that is satisfied. That is condition satisfied. Correct guys? If this condition satisfied, then again this will come into the if block. Then again we are calling sum, right? Then guys, 2 minus 1. What guys? Then next call, it will come here guys. This time guys, our what? X value is 1. Yes or no? This time our x value is 1, correct? X equal to 1, correct? So guys, see, this time our again condition is satisfied, right? So 1 is greater than 0, yes or no? That is guys satisfied, right? This condition is satisfied. So guys, you can see once it is satisfied guys, then again we are enter into this if block. So guys, 1, right? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 guys, this time this value will be guys what? 0, yes or no? This time value will be x equal to guys what? X equal to 0, correct? So guys, see, now it will come this condition check, right? So guys, tell me 0 greater than 0. Yes guys, false. Right guys, this condition becomes false. Right guys, once this condition is false, directly will come into our else block. Right guys, that will come into the else block. So guys, now you can see. So this is the entire process. Now guys, this value return the 0 guys. This time this if block we are not going to enter. Directly we can come in our else block. Then guys, this else block return is 0 guys. Then you come guys here 0, right? So guys, you can see this time value of x is equal to 1, and guys this return type sum x minus 1, what returning guys? That is 0. So guys, you can see here, so 1 plus x value is 1 and return type of previous method is what? 0 guys, right? So total guys how much? 1. Total how much? 1 plus 0 equal to guys how much? 1, right? 1. So guys, in this case we can get 1. So now guys, if this value is 1 guys, so same thing it return to this previous method, right? So guys, see, this time x value is what? 2, yes or no? This value is 2 plus previous return type is get 1. You can see get this method return to this previous method, right? This is the previous method, this is the next method. So earlier this value was 1 and this x value is 2. So total get 3, you can see. Correct guys? Now, so you can see now the value of 3. So guys, it will come here. So earlier this value was guys 3, right? 3. Now previous method returning is 3. Okay. So now total becomes guys 6. Okay. So guys, next you can see. So guys, this 6 value returning as a this value, right? This reference dot sum returning where this 6. Then we are going to store into the this ref value guys, a value, and same thing we are going to print. That's why guys, we are saying 6 is the result of this value, right? Okay. That's why we can see result as a what? 6. You can see guys, in first step we have 1, then 2, and then 3. Same thing I have discussed here guys. Same thing here I have discussed. See, in this case what? 1, then 3, then plus 3. 1, then guys, in this case we have 1, right? Then 2 plus 1, 3, then 3 plus 3, 6. We are getting the result. So guys, this is the guy our dry run. So this is the flow internally recursion method is doing. Then it's giving the result as expected. So guys, that is our complete explanation of recursion. So how recursion is going to what? Implement in our Java application. So guys, that's it guys. Also guys, one thing I will let you know. So you can see in our this flow guys. So guys, this method call guys. So this method call guy deals with a stack process guy. This method call deals with a stack process, means LIFO guy. So what is coming last? They will destroy first. This will destroy first guy. Okay. So that first this thing is destroy. Then guy this thing is destroy. Okay. Then guy this thing is destroy. You can see guy last in first order. And guy then this is destroy. Then at last we are sending this result to what? As a result as a 6 guy. Yes or no? This guy result as a 6. We are seeing our output. Okay, this is we are seeing 6. So guy, this method called guy deals with our stack last in first order. Right? So first what is in last? That will first destroy. Then this destroy. Then this destroy. Then this destroy. Then at last we are seeing the result. So guys, this is complete dry run of this code guy. So guys, I hope you understood completely this recursion and recursive method in our Java application guy. So that's it guys. If you like the video guy, please like, share, subscribe my channel guy. Okay. So I will bring such type of most important concept in front of you, by which you will get more benefited and you will get more knowledge as well guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video.